Tá ligado? Dá pra sobrar. Precisa aprender primeiro essa alça.
Tá, é só aí?
Peraí. Já apertou uma. Pode ir.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in a cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Get to the club in my taxi cab. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls not around me. It's definitely not a Nashville.
Oi, eu tô morrendo de saudade suas. E você tá fazendo 15 anos agora, mas... Bom, o tempo passa rápido e eu te amo muito, tô morrendo de saudade suas. E alguém me disse uma vez que a distância não significa nada quando alguém significa muito. E eu respondi essa pessoa, sei lá porquê, mas você significa muito pra mim e eu te amo muito, tô morrendo de saudades. E olha o que tem aqui. Sua carta. Bom, mas eu fico feliz sempre quando eu leio ela. E você faz falta pra mim, tá? Mas eu te amo muito. Feliz aniversário.
Keep holding on, 'cause you know we'll make it through, we'll make it through. Just stay strong.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.